How you doing? 52 Thunder. So you got 6 Mercury 500s on here. These Thunders are really cool. You got 7 seats here, forward-facing bolstered seats. Beautiful stitching, new stitching designs coming from the top manufacturers. Back here, you're going to see this high-low table. Note that can recess all the way down into the floor. Then you've got the Garmin electronics on the side as well as the stereos. Coming up to the bow area. Really great. Look at these nice sunken chase lounge seats here. Got the high-low table that does go into the floor. Again, another Garmin display. Beautiful stainless steel accents around the speakers, LED lights, badass stitching. Your windlass and everything is guarded down there. So the 52 Thunder from Cigarette, I really like it.
And all the instrumentation, cabin down inside, shower.
Looking at the cabin down here. It's actually a very functional cabin. Get a separate head enclosure with an infinity rain. And then this door shuts here like this. So complete privacy. It looks like you got a little closet area. Cedar-lined closet. Cold storage. TV. Really nice. These seats are awesome. Check out the shock absorbers. This is the triple Garmin displays, bow and stern thrusters, Mercury engine controls there. Nice to have the bow and stern thrusters so you can drive this sideways. Electronics up top. Look at this beautiful summer kitchen in the aft here. So you've got nice deep storage here. 2 plancha electric grills. Waist here. Sink, and then this folds down. Some mechanical and storage spaces over the port side. It's got a storage lazarette here as well. Super cool.